Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a video, but in today's video, I'm gonna do I guess a grocery haul type video, and I'm just gonna let you know, what I eat. And it's not really what I eat in a day, it's more of a haul per se on what I buy at the store and things like that, and I just thought I'd share it with you. So these are items that I buy pretty much every week, and what I make pretty much every week. I try and I guess change it up a little bit as far as what I'm making, especially for the family and things like that. But for me, I can usually with what I buy eat ketovore or carnivore with the foods that I'm buying. So in today's video, that's what I'm going to be showing you and talking about. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That would really help me. And let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so again, these are things that I buy pretty much on the regular, and I just want to show them. And if you're changing your lifestyle to this type of way of eating, this will hopefully give you some ideas. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So eggs, these are the eggs that I buy, and I get them at my at Costco. These are the organic eggs by Kirkland, pasture raised, grade A, and they're 24, and I think they're right about, gosh, between $7 and $8. And they are pretty good eggs, and when I go, I usually get 2 packs of these. Okay, so that's that. And then the other item is bone broth, and this is chicken with rosemary. This is so good. In the past I would think bone broth, I don't know if I can handle that. There's no taste in it, but actually this is pretty good. And I'll just have, they have smaller jars, and I'll just drink that whole thing. But this is very tasty and kind of filling. So if you're wanting a snack, this is something good to have. And it's, a pretty good one. And they have so many different varieties, but this is the one that I tend to get. And then as far as, and again, I normally don't snack, but if I have started fasting, pretty early in the evening, because usually I do a 5 to 9 the next morning, 5 p.m. to 9 the next morning. So if I do have coffee, and then if, say for instance, I eat an early breakfast, right at the 16-17 hour mark, if I have my boiled eggs, then between that and dinner, I might get hungry, because usually I just have like 2 meals a day. But if for some reason or other I do get hungry, I get these, and they are pork rinds. And these are right here, and these are fried pork skins, and the flavor is hot and spicy, and these are so good. And I kind of dug into them because we went fishing this weekend, and that was, one of the snacks I had on the boat with us, and very good. And they are, just to kind of give you an idea, let's see here. Total carbs is less than 1 gram. And we're looking at sodium 380. So considering it's like a chip type thing, it is not bad with the sodium. And then as far as bacon, this is the bacon that I like to eat, and this is the natural, no antibiotics ever, applewood smoked uncured bacon, never fed animal byproducts, no added hormones ever, raised on American farms, no artificial ingredients or preservatives, no nitrates or nitrates added. And this I buy at my local grocery store, and I have this, I put this when I make burger patties, or I'll make some to have with my eggs. Just, you know, very good bacon. I really like this, very good. And then cheese. So if I'm also having a burger patty, I'll put some cheese on it, or if I'm making scrambled eggs or an omelet, I'll use this mild cheddar. Very good cheese, I really love it. And then butter, I always use, I put probably about half a tablespoon of butter in my coffee, and this is the butter I always get. And this is Kerrygold pure Irish butter. And then this cheese, you know, dairy, I don't really drink milk or anything, so pretty much the only dairy product that I do eat is cheese. I love cheese. It is just, I can't stop eating cheese. Anyway, this is the fresh mozzarella cheese. It is so good. And I can have like a thick slice if I'm having my boiled eggs or even my scrambled eggs. I'll have it on the side. I really love this cheese. And then on top of it too, on my eggs, my scrambled eggs, this is Queso Fresco. It's a fresh cheese, and it's like a crumbly cheese. And again, these are the cheeses that I buy at my local grocery store. This is so good, guys, so good. You might want to, you know, give it a whirl if you haven't, but this is it right here. And now as far as, you know, meats go, I talked about, you know, my patties. And usually I get one of these big guys here, ground chuck. It's 80-20, and I will make taco meat. And I'll put some cheese on it, you know, this Queso Fresco, and I'll put, sour cream in there. I'll put some shredded cheese, and it is just so good. But this is the meat that I buy. I'll make hamburger patties. I'll make the taco meat, you know, and I'll use it to make, you know, tacos, you know, for my husband, or spaghetti for my husband. But this is the meat, you know, I purchase. And also too, pork chops. I love pork chops, especially, you know, marinated. But these are it right here. And I'll usually I can eat 2, and my husband will eat the other 2. So good. And, you know, again, this is pretty much on repeat every week. And I broke into these because I'm thawing some out, but they are the cooked medium shrimp, peeled into vein, tail off, and medium. And these are it here. I'll usually thaw out, I'd say about, you know, 5 to 6 of them. And then I'll saute them in butter, and they are very, very good. Love this stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much it. This is, you know, just, you can make so much with just this food here. You know, from boiled eggs, you can make omelets. I'm sorry, from the eggs, you can make boiled eggs, omelets, deviled eggs. I can just, today for lunch I made egg salad, and I put mayo in there, just a tablespoon with 3 eggs, salt and pepper, and I put some jalapenos in there. I love jalapenos. And, you know, that was, you know, my lunch. And then tonight I'm going to make a burger patty with bacon and cheese, and I'm gonna make a few of these. I just love shrimp. So that's gonna be my dinner. And then tomorrow I'll have for breakfast, you know, probably some boiled eggs again, and I'll have pork chops for dinner. So there's just so much that you can make, but at the same time, I'm a creature of habit, so I tend to do what works, and it is, you know, it's been working out so far. And, you know, I haven't had any boredom with this food or anything like that, so I'm okay with it. Yeah, and it's almost like you crave it, you know, like the burger patties, they are so good to me. I can have it pretty much every day, you know, and I almost do just about every day. But other than that, that's pretty much what I eat. And I just thought I'd come on here and share it with you. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my videos when I upload them. But other than that, I hope y'all have a fabulous weekend. Today's already Thursday. It's coming right along. But anyway, y'all have a fabulous one. Take care. Bye-bye.